What is up guys, this is Shivin and welcome to SoftPay. In this video I will tell you guys how you can fix the problem that your microphone is not working on Zoom meetings. Now before I begin with the video, I would just like to say that if you encounter any software related problems, just comment it down on our videos and email us and we will make a solution video for you guys. Now let us begin with the video. Now the first thing that we can do in order to solve this microphone not working problem on Zoom is very basic, and that is to open up Zoom and then go to the bottom left hand corner of Zoom and then click on join audio. Now it should open up a dialog box for you guys and then just click on join with computer audio. After you have clicked that, just click on the crossed out microphone and then start speaking. If the microphone starts to turn a bit green, that means that your microphone is actually properly working. But if it doesn't, just click on the arrow just beside that microphone and then ensure that you have selected the right microphone from this drop down list. Also make sure that you have selected the right speaker so you can hear your microphone and other people. Now after you have selected the right microphone and the right speaker for your device, just click on test speaker and microphone button and then just follow through this small tutorial. So this will actually help you guys choose the right microphone and speaker for your device. So if you're not hearing a ringtone on this, then that means you have selected the wrong speaker and then you got to select the right speaker from your speaker ones list. And in the microphone test, just speak something, and if you do not hear a replay, then just select a different microphone from the list and check whether that fixes the problem. If that also doesn't fix the problem, then again click on that arrow button near the microphone and then go to audio settings. In the audio settings, make sure again that you have selected the right speaker and the microphone, and then if you have selected automatically adjust volume, just uncheck it and then turn your volume to full for the microphone. After that, just click on the advanced button in the bottom hand corner. Make sure that in audio processing you have set suppress persistent background noise and suppress intermittent background noise as disabled. And then just click OK and then just go back and restart Zoom and check whether that fixes your problem. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then there might be something wrong with the Windows settings. So for that, we will just close down Zoom and then check with the Windows settings problems. Now I will cover the major topics on how to solve the microphone settings for Windows. If your microphone is not working on your device, but in order to get a more detailed and clear version of this problem on Windows 10, just go to my Windows 10 microphone not working problem solution video and follow through that video in order to fix this problem. Now let us begin with the first step. So first thing that you can do in order to solve this microphone not working problem is first go to your Windows search and then go to settings, and in settings you search microphone privacy settings. Now once you open up the microphone privacy settings, just ensure that the microphone access for this device is turned on, and also ensure that all apps are allowed to access your microphone. So make sure that everything is turned on this page, and when you scroll down also make sure, and this is very important, that you have enabled access to your microphone for all desktop apps. After you have done this, then check whether your microphone is working or not. The next thing we'll do in order to solve this microphone problem is go to settings and then go to sound settings. After we open up the sound settings, then just click the sound control panel in the right hand corner and then your sound control panel should open. After that, go to the recordings tab and make sure that your mic is set as default on this page. Now if your mic is not displayed on this page, try right clicking and then enable show disabled devices and show disconnected devices on this page. And even if that doesn't work and your mic is still not displayed on this recording page, then just comment it down below and I will make a separate video for you guys who have this problem in the sound control panel. Now once you have selected the correct mic, just right click on it and then go to its properties. After you go to its properties, in general, make sure that use this device, that is enable, is turned on, and then in the listen tab, make sure that the playback through this device is the default playback device, and then the power management is set to continue running on the battery power. The next thing we'll do is go to levels, and then here you can set your microphone volume. So make sure that it is set to a right volume and it is not set to 0. Also you can ensure that your microphone volumes is boosted So you can also set this to 100 and check whether that fixes the problem. But I'm going to set it to a normal level because it is working fine for me. And then finally in the advanced setting, make sure that your default format is set to this, and then in the exclusive mode, make sure that you allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode applications priority. Also in signal enhancements, make sure that you have enabled audio enhancements and then click apply and OK, and then restart your PC. If this doesn't solve the problem, then what you can do is go to advanced tab again and then just uncheck enable audio enhancements and then restart your PC again and check whether that fixes your problem. If that doesn't work, then I recommend that you click on the restore defaults button in the advanced tab and restore your microphone settings to default and see if that fixes the problem. Now, it is also important to know that you have to restart your PC in order to apply these changes. Now, the next thing we'll do is again go to our sound settings on the Windows, and then there you will find a button for troubleshoot. Just click on that button and then follow the steps for the Windows troubleshoot. If that still doesn't fix your microphone problem, then I also recommend that you check your keyboard for a microphone key. Now on your keyboard, if there is a function key and it has a microphone drawn on it, then try pressing that function key, or if you're on a laptop, then the FN plus that function key and check whether your microphone works again or not, because it is a dedicated key and it has nothing to do with all the previous activities that we have done. So for me, that key is the F4 key. So I press the F4 key or the FN plus F4 key, and it toggles my microphone on and off. So check whether this fixes your problem. Now, if this also doesn't fix your problem, then I recommend that you update your drivers for your microphone. Now, in order to do this, you have to go to Windows search and then search for device manager. After you open up the device managers, just go to audio inputs and outputs, and under that you should find your microphone which you want to work. Now just right click on that microphone and then go to its properties, and in its properties go to the drivers tab and then click on uninstall device. After you have uninstalled this device, just go to the action tab on your device manager and then click on scan for hardware changes, and then your microphone should turn back again in the device manager. After it turns back on, then again right click and then go to properties, and this time you go to the drivers tab and then click on update drivers and then search automatically for the best drivers for this device. Now let this process finish, and if it says that you already have the best drivers for this device and if it still doesn't work on your PC, that is your microphone is still not working on your Windows 10 PC, then I recommend that you manually download your microphone drivers on Windows. Now this is very simple. If you're on a laptop, then just go to your laptop manufacturer's website and then search for audio drivers for your specific laptop model. For me, it is these drivers, and then just click on the download button and then follow through the instructions for downloading the drivers. And if you're using an external microphone which requires its own drivers, then you go to the manufacturer's website of that specific microphone and then download the audio drivers from their website. After you have downloaded and installed the audio drivers, then just restart your PC and check whether the new drivers fix your problem. So this was it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it and this video helped you guys. Remember to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.